This week, buy 20 rand airtime or data on the Nedbank Money app or online banking to stand a chance to win 2 domestic return economy class flights. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 5. I'm joined by a friend, my brother. What's your name and where are you from?
Ozzy.
Yeah.
Alright, Steve.
Yeah, I'm not Hosi. What did you think about today's game?
Sithathe level.
Yeah, 5.
Kuphi?
FNB.
Serious, phambi kwabo.
Yeah. Straight kubo. Straight kubo.
Bamnyatsa uRulani nje.
Yeah.
Bakhuluma njalo ngoRulani.
Yeah.
Yini inkinga yabo?
But assistant coach.
Assistant coach?
Yeah.
Abashaya 5 kanje. Rulani is the best, baba. Yeah. It's better than Bruce even.
Yeah.
You go Bruce.
Yeah.
Rulani Mokoena won us bronze medal.
Yes.
Go AFCON.
It wasn't Hugo.
It wasn't Hugo. It was Rulani Mokoena.
Hello.
Rulani is the coach, baba.
Yeah.
Rulani is the coach.
The best coach.
The best coach in South Africa.
Yeah.
Sabu in Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, so igame angazi ngizoyiqala ngakuphi ngoba iChiefs ayidlalanga man.
0.
They were looking for Dupree.
Yeah.
So if you look for Dupree udlala neSundowns uzolibheka ngetorch.
Angeke umthole.
Angeke ulithola.
Yeah.
Yadlala iSundowns.
Yeah.
Yadlala iSundowns.
Good.
Kakhulu.
So, Hosi, do you have any advice for Chiefs?
iChiefs I feel like they must sign a coach manje.
Now.
Benze pre-season like manje.
As soon as possible.
They can't do pre-season after. Like I feel like they must start to do like pre-season manje. Kulama game lawa sele mele benze pre-season manje.
Yeah.
I don't see them coming back even if angeke usayine abadlali bese usayine ucoach. They must sign the coach now.
First.
I-coach yona ibona like ngikhipha bani, ngihambisa bani ngoba bona serious shame man.
Okay, ngicela man of the match Hosi.
Legend 45 Lodge.
Aish.
Yeah, Legend 45 Lodge. We know where the pain is going. Lodge.
Thank you, Hosi.